and my dear friends. I am Anshu from class 10. Today I am going to express my views on the topic importance of khadi in freedom struggle. Khadi or hand-spun and hand-woven cotton cloth played a significant role in the Indian freedom struggle. It was a symbol of self-reliance and economic independence, and it helped to unite people from all walks of life against British rule. Mahatma Gandhi, the leader of the Indian independence movement, was a stronger advocate for khadi. He believed that khadi could help to alleviate poverty and unemployment in rural India. He also believed that khadi could be a powerful tool for social and political change. In 1920, Gandhi launched the non-cooperation movement, which called for Indians to boycott British goods and institutions. Khadi was an important part of this movement as it provides Indians with an alternative to British-made clothes. Gandhi also encouraged Indians to spin and weave their own khadi. This helped to create jobs and boost the rural economy. It also helped to promote a sense of self-reliance among Indians. The khadi movement was successful in raising awareness of the importance of self-reliance and economic independence. It also helped to unite people from all walks of life against British rule. Here are some of the specific ways in which khadi contributed to the Indian freedom struggle. It provided Indians with an alternative to British-made clothes. This helped to reduce India's dependence on British imports and to boost the Indian economy. It provided a sense of self-reliance and economic independence among Indians. It united people from all walks of life against British rule. It served as a symbol of Indian nationalism and resistance to British rule. In 1930, Gandhi led the Dandi March to protest the British salt tax. The marchers wore khadi and carried khadi flags. In 1942, the Quit India movement called for the immediate withdrawal of British rule. Khadi was again an important symbol of this movement. The Indian flag is made of khadi. This is a reminder of khadi's important role in the freedom struggle. After independence, khadi continued to be an important part of Indian culture and society. It is still seen as a symbol of self-reliance and economic independence. Khadi is also used in a variety of products, including clothing, home furnishing, and handicrafts. Khadi played a significant role in the Indian freedom struggle. It was a symbol of self-reliance and economic independence, and it helped to unite people from all walks of life against British rule. Khadi continues to be an important part of Indian culture and society today. Thank you.